What? What, Charles? Really? What are you saying? Really? Mm-hmm. Tell me what you want. Tell me. Tell me what you want. Not quite getting it. Really? Okay. What else? Really? Okay. Well, I can do that. Okay. Charles. Anything else? Yes? Okay. I'll have to negotiate that one. Okay, so what else do you need? Just that? That's it? No? More? More? More what, Charles? Oh! What's that? Charles? Charles? Are you ignoring me? Yeah? Anything else you have to say? I'm gonna go now. Okay. I'm gonna get that. Anything else? Tuna? Charles? Tuna? Tuna? Yeah? Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright? Bye, Charles. I'm coming back.